If you encounter an error processing customer payments on Shopify, it can be concerning but usually resolvable. Here's how to troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue. Check Payment Gateway Settings. Ensure that your payment gateway settings are correctly configured in your Shopify admin dashboard. Verify that the payment gateway you're using is properly integrated and activated. Verify customer information. Double-check the customer's payment information, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Ensure that all details are entered correctly. Try a different payment method. If the error persists, suggest to your customer trying a different payment method, such as a different credit card or PayPal. Clear cache and cookies. Sometimes, browser cache and cookies can cause issues with processing payments. Advise your customer to clear their browser cache and cookies and attempt the payment again. Contact Payment Gateway Support. If the issue persists, reach out to the customer support team of your payment gateway provider for assistance. They can help you diagnose any issues on their end and provide guidance on resolving them. Test with a test order. Perform a test order on your own Shopify store using a different payment method to see if the issue is specific to the customer or widespread.